Hi everyone, welcome to SumanTV. My name is Badri. Welcome to our new episode of German language learning. So last episode lo manamu basic sounds like vowels. Okay, German vowels same like English vowels like a, e, I, o, u in English, but in German we have learned it like a, e, o and u. So అవి మీకు గుర్తున్నాయి అనుకుంటున్నాను. మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి అయితే రాస్తాను. a, e, o is o and u, u. So these are all the 5 vowels in German. సో ఇప్పుడు ఈరోజు మనం కొన్ని బేసిక్ ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్స్ జర్మన్లో లైక్ గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ ఎలా చెప్తారు, గుడ్ ఈవినింగ్, గుడ్ నైట్, థ్యాంక్ యూ ఎలా చెప్తారో చూద్దాన్ని. ఓకే, అగైన్ ఐఎమ్ టెల్లింగ్ యూ వన్స్ అగైన్. So stick to the sounds, okay, don't change the sound. Okay, now see the first one. Okay, ha, lo, this is a sound, this is o sound. So a, lo, hello, hello, just like same in English also we say hello, right? So in German they say hello. Okay, ha, lo, hello, hello like hi. So you want to say somebody just like hi, in German you say hello. The other person also says hello. And next one, try to read it carefully. Just follow the sounds and try to read carefully. So how we are reading, check these vowels. So it is gluten, gluten, and this is, don't read it like tag. Okay, so in English we have an habit of reading this like a tag. As I mentioned you, okay, this is German, so the sound of this is a. So it is tag. So guten Tag, hello, guten Tag. So tag is like day. Tag means day. So guten Tag means good day or have a nice day. Okay, so guten Tag means good day or have a nice day. So normally in German they say people just like hallo guten Tag. Okay, hi, have a nice day. Then other people also reply you like hallo guten Tag. Now see the next one. Okay, same guten. See how we are reading this. This is o and this is a. So morgen, guten morgen. So it is similar to English like morgen, morning. Yes, right. So guten morgen. So guten morgen, good morning. Hello, hi, guten Tag, good day or have a nice day. Guten morgen, like good morning. Next one. Yeah. See this same guten. Okay, we already know this. What is this? Tag. Okay, this is Tag and this is mit. So guten Mittag. Okay, Mittag. So mit means middle, Tag means day, like mid of the day, like noon. So guten Mittag, like good noon, or you can also say like a good afternoon also. So guten Mittag. If you observe, see we are not changing the sounds. We are same, following the same sounds. Ha, lo, guten Tag, guten morgen, guten Mittag. So this is E sound, this is A sound. Guten Mittag, good afternoon. See the next one. This is same guten and this is Abend. Guten Abend. Guten Abend, good evening. So guten Abend, good evening. Hallo, guten Tag, guten Morgen, guten Mittag, guten Abend. Guten Abend, good evening. Now try to read this, follow the same rule and try to read this. So we are reading this. This is O sound and this is A sound. How we are reading this? Gute. Okay, gute, and this is na. Okay, and normally in English we read ch ante cha sound వస్తుంది కదా, కానీ జర్మన్ లో ch అంటే ఖా ఆర్ షా సౌండ్. ఖా గాని షా గాని మోస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ద కేసెస్ ఖా వాడతారు. సమ్ టైమ్స్ వి యూస్ ష. సో ఎప్పుడు ఖా వాడాలి, ఎప్పుడు షా వాడాలి అనేది మీరు ఓకే వన్స్ యు ఆర్ గోయింగ్ డీపర్ ఇన్ టు ద లాంగ్వేజ్ విల్ కమ్ టు నో. యాజ్ ఆఫ్ నౌ యూ జస్ట్ రిమెంబర్ ch has 2 sounds, kha and sha, but most of the cases we use ka sound. So it is na, Nacht. So gute Nacht. Gute Nacht. So here E is like A sound, but gute Nacht, it's right according to whatever the sounds that we learned. కానీ ఇక్కడ ఒక రూల్ ఏంటి అంటే జర్మన్లో E comes in the beginning or in the middle, it is A sound. If E comes in the beginning or in the middle, it is A sound. ఒకవేళ E అనేది వర్డ్ లాస్ట్ లో వస్తే it will changes to the A sound. Okay, E last లో వస్తే then we have to read it like A. So now how we are reading this we read it like gute. Okay, gute Nacht. So gute Nacht means good night. Okay, gute Nacht. So remember the rule, if E comes in the beginning or in the middle, the sound is A sound. ఒకవేళ E అనేది వర్డ్ ఓకే లాస్ట్ లో కనుక వస్తే the sound will be A sound. So it is gute Nacht means good night. Gute Nacht, good night. Now see the same thing. How we are reading this? Danke. Again E is at the end, so it will be A. It's not danke, A sound. Okay, but here it is at the end, so it will be A sound. So danke. So danke means thank you. Danke, thank you. Now try to read another word. This is same rule. How you are reading? Bitter. Okay, bitter. Again ending with E, the sound will be A sound. Bitter. Bitter means please. Bitter, please. Danke, thank you. Bitter, please. So bitter, we have another meaning like you are welcome. If somebody says danke, like they want to thank you, they say danke, then you can use the expression bitter. Bitter means you are welcome, and another meaning is please. Okay, so hallo, guten Tag, guten Morgen, guten Mittag, guten Abend, gute Nacht, danke, bitter. Clear? So hallo is hi. Guten Tag means good day or have a nice day. Guten Morgen, good morning. Guten Mittag, good afternoon. Guten Abend, good evening. Gute Nacht, good night. Danke, thank you. Bitte, please. Okay, so these are all some of the basic expressions in German. See how we are reading German in German without any mistakes. Okay, we are reading German in German, not in English. Okay, how we are reading it in a perfect way, because we are following the sounds. So just follow the sounds and our German reading will be like German. Okay, some more things we'll learn it in the next video. Okay, till then, bye.